Hello developers, welcome to Tencent RTC's tutorial video. I am Tom, the avatar powered by Tencent RTC. The previous video we experienced basic call functionality. Today we will use set self info interface to set the nickname and avatar information in our iOS calling app. Step 1, button to set up. First, we need to add a set button on the page. By clicking this button, we will execute the set self info interface to set the avatar and nickname information. Now, let's go back to our demo project and complete the basic UI setup. You can copy the previous UI setup and change the name to set while adjusting the height to 200. Step 2, adding button click event. Now we need to add a click event to this button and then add the button to the view. Next, we will invoke the set self info interface in its event handler. This interface has 4 parameters. The first one is the nickname. The second one is the avatar. The third one is the success callback for setting. And the fourth one is the failure callback for setting. We can modify the nickname to TUI call kit. For the avatar, we can use a pre-prepared online image by passing its URL as a string. After successfully setting the information, we can print the message set self info. In case of a failure, we can print the error code and error message. Now we have completed the implementation of the basic functionality. Step 3, testing the call. So now let's run the program. And to compare the changes before and after the settings, we will use the official TUI call kit demo. Let's perform the login operation. We can see the successful login message in the command line, and then we initiate a call to it. And we can see that its avatar looks like this, and its name is callkit. After hanging up the call, we click on set to call the interface for setting the avatar and nickname. After the setting is successful, we can see the message set self info. We then make another call to it, and we can see that our nickname and avatar have changed. And that's it. You've successfully set your nickname and profile photo into your calling iOS application. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more information and resources, visit our official website, trtc.io. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Welcome you guys to subscribe to our channel. Happy coding!